Respect is not asked for, not begged for. Respect is something that people give to you willingly. You might have often found yourself in situations where, forget about getting respected, people have straight up ignored you. They have straight up outcast you. Your opinions have landed on flat ears. This may be the case with your family, this may be the case with your friends. Let me tell you this one thing, that being respected, the person who is respected, he has an energy, he has an aura that needs to be mastered. There are certain tips that needs to be followed before people can look you into that eyes. There are certain actions that need to be done. Not every person in this world who is walking is respected. Very few people are, and there is always a reason behind it, which we will discuss in this video. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Shia Bish and I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make people respect you. First of all, no. The harder you try to make people respect you, the less likely you are to get respected. Facts. All the people I have seen who are the most revered are the people who are not even people pleasers. They are not going around and pleasing every person. People respect them regardless. Yeah, on the contrary, these are the people who are the biggest altruist, they are very generous, very kind. But then you might ask that if that's the case, why are not all kind people respected? Fair point. The reason being why all kind people are not respected is that they do not know where to maintain the boundary. They do not know who to show kindness and who to not. I know since the very beginning, since our childhood, we are taught, oh, we should be kind to people, we should be kind to everyone, especially if you come from a household like mine where my parents consistently taught me to be kind. You would know this, that we are taught to be kind, even to our elders, even to the seniors who straight up disrespect us, criticize us, say bad things about us. But here is the thing, people who are respected are the people who respect themselves, so they don't allow anyone to treat them badly. They respect themselves enough to take a firm stand for themselves and say, see, this is something that I don't appreciate. But the thing with most kind people are that they are so kind that they cannot practice selective kindness. So if you want to be respected, you will have to practice selective kindness. People who are cruel to you, people who are evil to you, why would you want to invest on them? Why would you want to invest in a toxic partner, toxic friend, toxic relationship when they are not giving you the same thing? Not only are you not being respected by these people, but now you are not respecting yourself because you can see yourself consistently diminishing your value. In your eyes, you are lowering down your self-esteem. You cannot respect yourself. So your brain goes on to thinking that maybe I'm not well deserving of respect. But you are. Every person in this world has the right to respect, and it all starts from here. It all starts from me, myself. First, I will respect myself and then everyone else will follow. Set an example, show people. Every time people will crack a joke that you don't like, and there will be jokes like that. There will be jokes that are said in utmost humor, I know it, and you don't have to be always so uptight being like, No, obviously laugh at people's joke, but there might be some certain jokes that might be triggering and you might not like it, you might not appreciate it. You have full authority to take a stand for yourself and say, see, this is something I don't appreciate. Please do not make a joke about this certain thing. Assertiveness is a part of respect. All people who are respected know how to assert their opinions. Which brings me to the second point, that you need to assert your opinion without offending the other person. That is the difference between people who are respected and people who are feared. People who are feared evoke fear in people. So people don't say anything to them because they are just fearful, and as soon as they are gone from sight, they start blabbering things about them. But people who are respected, nobody talks bad about them in their vicinity or even if they are far away from them. The reason being that these are the people who not only know how to assert themselves but know that in which manner they have to do. See SRK, Shah Rukh Khan. Have you seen his interviews? Like, a lot of times media asks some questions that is just absurd. Like, very absurd. And if I would have been at his place, or anybody else, if you guys would have been at his place, you might have reacted like that. You might have been fueled up. But how does SRK replies to all these comments? How does SRK replies to all these, media asking him negative questions? He answers them very wittily. by putting his point, but doing it in a manner that does not offend any other person, or that does not make people feel that, oh shoot. He does it in a humorous manner, and that's how something you need to learn, something I need to learn so strongly. Being assertive is one thing, but doing it in a right manner is another thing. You know, especially because I heard Sushmita Sen, I think it was Sushmita Sen's video, where she was saying that the history or the world does not record the question, it will always record your answer, right? So portray yourself in the best light. People can say whatever they want to say. You have to assert your opinion, but do it in a manner that is not offensive to anyone, but at the same time satisfies your inner, let's say your inner voice, that okay, I did my part. That is something. Okay, second, then the other thing about respect is people who are respected are extremely good at their craft, right? People who are respected, they are so good at the what they do that people look up to them. People who want to do the same things, they want to learn from them. A person who is sitting idly at home, does nothing, absolutely nothing, wastes his time, nobody will look up to that person and suddenly make him their idol. Nobody does that. Every person respect people who are hardworking, who put work into, who put dedication, who are disciplined into their work. These are the people who are well recognized in any firm, in their colleges, in the schools. So be that person. If you are doing anything, any task, do it with 100% dedication, right? Another thing I have seen about people who are respected is that they are very calm. They're so calm, they're so collected. These are the people who have the coolest heads when things go wrong, when things turn to be tumultuous. These are the people who are sitting and processing how to find solutions instead of panicking about the problem, right? So cultivate that. Again, I'm saying that this is something I need to hear a lot, as much as you guys need to, because I'm also very proactive. So if things go wrong, I'm getting panicked and I'm like sweating and tearing up, everything. But people who are respected, they're so calm that they make every person around them calm. So they are just sitting when everything is going into chaos, everything is in a melee, and these are the people who are sitting, processing, and these are the people who come up with the solutions, because they're calm, their brains are working properly. And that is another reason why people look up to them. That is why this is another reason why people want to seek advice from them, because they are so stable headed, they are so cool headed. So if you want to be respected, these are the things you need to follow. Also, one last point that I will add before going, which is I'm not sure if it is that of a strong point as the others, but it is certainly a point, is that if you want to be respected, wear clothes that ask for respect, because clothes reveal a lot about you. And I'm not saying that if you are wearing, I'm definitely not saying that it's just the clothes, but clothes do add something. If you are wearing formals, that's how people will look up to you. They will know that, yeah, you are up for a meeting. If you are going to wear a party dress, people will know that, oh, it's a party dress. We wear different clothes to different places because we know that's how it is suiting the situation, that's how it suits the situation. So if you want to be respected, you can wear clothes like old money styles. There are so classy clothes, you can start wearing that. That is another way people can respect you without you opening your mouth. Like, I think it's an easy way, right? So you can invest on good clothes. And the thing about these clothes is that you do not even have to buy a bunch of them. You can buy like 4 basic pieces, 4 cult classic pieces, and you can pair it with every other thing. You can see ample of videos are there available on YouTube. So that is how, another way to get respected, right? I hope you like this video, and if you did, please like, share, subscribe, because that is how you will fill your feed with good content that will motivate you, grow you, not content that will suck energy out of you. Okay? Yes. Bye bye.